Assalamualaikum everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Betty Sukma Maratu Solihah, Agricultural Industrial Technology student class of 222. Here, I will explain about the journal evaluating the biocatalytic potential of ecoenzyme derived from fruit peels for sustainable textile water treatment. Initially, the textile industry was one of the main contributors to environmental pollution. Exponential torque was weather containing various dyes and hazard chemical. Conventional textile waste processing often involves expensive chemical process and has the potential to have negative impact on the environment and public health. Therefore, alternative waste processing that is more environmentally friendly and sustainable is needed. One innovation that can be done is the use of ecoenzyme, which are enzymes derived from organic waste, especially fruit peel waste such as bananas, pineapples, and orange. Ecoenzymes have great potential in processing textile liquid waste touch their biocatalytic and antimicrobial properties. This study aims to synthesize ecoenzyme from fruit peel waste and conduct a comprehensive analysis of their biocatalytic and antimicrobial properties and their use in real textile weather treatment. In the manufacture of this ecoenzyme, a method is carried out with several steps, namely, the first is preparing the materials and preparation for manufacture. In this processing, banana peels, Musa acuminata, pineapples, Ananas commusus, and orange are cut into small pieces, then mashed. Then mix the fruit peel, brown sugar, and distilled water with a ratio of 3, 1, and 10 as the basic material for ecoenzyme synthesis. The mixture is incubated in a closed glass container in a cool place for 3 months for the fermentation process. After fermentation is complete, the mixture is filtered and ecoenzymes are obtained from each fruit waste BAPAOA. To measure the characterization of ecoenzyme pH, BOD, COD, and TDC, measurements are carried out according to standards with the APAA method. Then the critic acid contains an enzyme activity, protease, amylase, lipase are measured using HPLC and trimetric methods. Biocatalytic and antimicrobial activity analysis was conducted to determine protease casein digestion unit method. Other enzyme activities, amylase and lipase, analyzed by standard methodology and antimicrobial testing carried out using the division method with concentration of 5%, 10%, and 50% in textile waste treatment and evaluation of its effectiveness. Textile waste taken from a textile factory and then test before and after treatment using the ecoenzyme for 1,000 hours. The waste parameters analysis include pH, BOD, COD, TSS, TDS, DO, and color. In statistical analysis, data waste analysis using the ANOVA test to compare the effectiveness of ecoenzyme from various sources and with conventional processing methods. The results obtained from this study are ecoenzyme properties from orange show the highest protease activity, which is caused by the high bromelain content in pineapple. Ecoenzyme from BA has the highest amylase activity, while OA has the highest lipase activity. The use of ecoenzyme successfully reduced BOD by 80 and 85% and COD by 81 and 85%. TSS was reduced by 88 for 20% and TDS by 35 and 37%. PH parameters show and this decrease and do levels increased significantly. Discoloration of textile weather for 1000 hours also show successful declaration by all ecoenzyme with PA showing the highest efficiency. There are several graphs showing the activity of using ecoenzyme every hour. Figure 3a show the change in BOD percentage against time during treatment with ecoenzyme, where these graphs show a curve depicting the percent of BOD biochemical oxygen demand reduction from textile waste during the treatment processing using their ecoenzyme search BA, PA, and OA. The x-axis is the treatment time in hours, 20 hours, 40 hours, 60 hours, 80 hours, and 1000 hours. The y-axis is the percentage of both reduction percent. Initially 0 hours, the BOD of textile waste was high at around 3050 ppm. After 20 hours, there was around 50 and 60% reduction, indicating that enzyme activation was effective. After 1000 hours, PA reached around 80% reduction, while BA and OA reached around 75 and 78%. So the increase in BOD reduction over time is progressive and tends to slow down towards the end. Next, in figure 3b, namely the change in percentage of COD against time during treatment with ecoenzyme. This treatment is similar to graphic 3a, but show a reduction in COD during treatment, where the COD was initially high at around 100 ppm. Then ecoenzyme from OA show the greatest reduction, reaching around 85% after 1000 hours. PA and BA were also effective with a reduction of around 80 and 83%. So this curve shows that the effectiveness of the enzyme increases over time, and OA has the highest performance. With the figure 3a and 3b show the ecoenzyme from pineapples and orange fruit is effective in reduction pollutant parameters such as BOD and COD gradual over 1000 hours, with PA and EA showing the first and highest performance. Thus, the conclusion that can be drawn is that ecoenzyme made from fruit peel with such as banana, pineapple, and orange can significantly reduce pollutant levels in textile waste, include BOD, COD, TCC, and TDC. Ecoenzyme from orange show strong antimicrobial activity and the best performance in the decoloration process. Their threshold indicate the ecoenzyme can be used as an environmentally friendly and sustainable alternative for textile waste processing compared to conventional method. The implementation of ecoenzyme has the potential to reduce environmentally impact while supporting the principle of sustainable waste management.